Hey guys, it's AJ at HOGWORKZ, and today I'm bringing you our 23.5 Touring skid plate. This is gonna come in black or raw finish, and it's gonna protect your vulnerable water lines and any electrical lines on the front of your bike. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Let's get into the install. All right, so first off, we're gonna start with our 5/16 and remove our Allen head bolt right here. That one. And then we're gonna take our 5/32. We're gonna remove this bolt right here. Now we're gonna go to the other side and remove the 5/16 Allen. So now we're gonna remove this bolt right here. Okay, now we got that loose. So now we're gonna take our skid plate and install it on the bike here. So now we're gonna take the factory hardware that we removed and put it back in its place. And we just wanna get it started. And we'll move to the other side and install the other hardware. And our smaller one up here. Get that started. We'll go ahead and tighten this one down. And we'll tighten our rear one down. And we'll go to the other side and do the same thing. Now we're going to tighten this side down. And once we got that side tightened down, that will conclude the install of our skid plate on our 23.5 and newer touring models. See you guys next time.